The interactive birail tool adds a second rail curve for more control. Its icon is a red profile curve with two blue rail curves. Here you can see the location of each rail curve highlighted as we click the corresponding projection curves visible on the panels. You'll also see the now familiar Curve Edit Context toolbar. The interactive birail tool is a good choice for use with open profile curves like the one shown, but it can be used with any curve. Unlike the rail tool, rotation and scaling of the profile aren't a big factor when working on birail. You won't even see the object selector appear around the profile curve here. Instead, you'll use the Object Move, Rotate, and Scale tools with the rail curves. Notice the shortcut key hints Z, X, and C. Here we select the Object Move tool and then left drag in the perspective view outside of the tri-panel to move the active rail curve in each axis. Use the right mouse button to move up and down in the Z axis. Notice that the profile curve stays put, and the rail curves are kept from moving beyond the boundaries of the tri-panel. Rotating a rail curve using the Object Rotate tool is easiest to control from the top view while left dragging up and down and side to side. We'll sweep to add some length with more control points. Here we're going to make a drapery type of object for use in an animated cartoon of a stage curtain. Notice that because the two sides are controlled by independent rail curves, I can make changes to the leading edge of the curtain without affecting the trailing end. I'll use the Curve Edit tools on both the profile and rail curves to rough out its shape. Then we can fit the object into our scene and we'll be able to reactivate the birail tool to fine-tune it later or fully edit it. Working this way, the interactive tools allow us to add detail as the scene comes together. And so we can tell if the concept is going to work before spending too much time on small details. In the next lesson, we'll add two more rail curves using the Cross-Section Surface tool.